This is by far the best Caesar salad recipe that you will ever try. I add toasted breadcrumbs and grilled chicken. It's my favorite. Let's go. First thing we do is prep our chicken. So we're gonna pound it, we season, make sure to do both sides, and then we cook. Once cooked, we slice it and look how juicy it is. For the breadcrumbs, I'm actually taking old hamburger buns. I'm ripping them apart, adding it to the food processor, and then we're gonna add it to a baking sheet with olive oil and our herbs. Now it's time to make our homemade Caesar dressing, and yes, it has anchovies, and you can find those ingredients in the caption. Now it's time to assemble, so we chop up our romaine, we add it to a bowl with a lot of Parmesan cheese, our toasted breadcrumbs, and top it all off with our grilled chicken. Follow for more easy salad recipes, and enjoy.